Welcome to the world of Kling 3.0 and 3.0 Omni. Today, I'll show you how to easily make 5 VFX shots using Kling AI. Let's get started. First, use the start and end frame feature to create a miniaturization shot. For the start frame, choose a giant monster. For the end frame, use the version where it's turned into a toy. Then just add your prompt and hit generate. And if you're not sure how to write detailed prompts, don't worry. Kling AI can get you almost the same result with just a simple description. Here's the 2 versions of the prompts. The outputs are almost the same. Okay, let's move on. Next, you can use prompts to create transitions, replacing the need for manual editing. For example, if I want a mask transition, here's how you can do it. Honestly, it looks just like manual editing. Explosion effects are a common shot, but also one of the trickiest to create. Kling 3.0 accurately generate explosion effects, both realistic and fully controllable. Again, you can achieve this with just simple prompt. But if you want more interesting transitions, try the custom multi-shot feature to precisely control your camera moves and timing. The hardest part, fluids, just got easy. A toy in a bathtub transforms into a deep-sea monster entering the water with realistic splashes and bubbles, all in one click. All right, next. Want to change the battlefield? Kling 3.0 Omni completely changes the background while keeping the monster perfectly consistent, from volcano landscapes to seaside seamlessly. Also, you can change the element in the scene if you want this monster sprays water instead of fire. From miniaturization effects to explosions, from scene transitions to fluid simulation, this is the creative freedom Kling 3.0 series model brings. No more expensive teams, no more endless rendering. Now, it's your turn to be the director. Go try it out.